Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today, we're going to be talking about the launch of our newest pre-built AI agent in the ESG category, the ESRS Simplified Gap Analysis. This is similar to our CSRD gap analysis, but is related to the Omnibus standard that has been released in December of 2025. So, here, if we click on Generate Answers, we'll be able to select any of the topics that we want to run against individually. When we select these, they will be generated as individual forms so that reviewing them is slightly easier and you're not presented with 300 questions all at once. So for now, I will just select business conduct and workers in the value chain. You're able to select up to 10 documents within your library to make sure that everything in your reporting is correct and coherent with the simplified standards. I'm just going to select one for now. We can then look at the reporting year. So we can either do past years for a comparative analysis or look to the future. Because the Monzo Banking Group annual report that I've selected is for 2025, I'm just going to select 2025. We can then provide the company size. This affects the sort of applicability and phase-in provisions of the standard, so it is a more contextual element. And then we provide more context in terms of industry sector and additional context. These two are optional fields, so you don't have to add anything, and I'm just going to leave them blank for now. Once I click on Generate Answers, it will take a couple of seconds to get the agent ready, and I'll come back when it has. So the agent has now been prepared, and as you can see, we're in the G1 Business Conduct Gap Analysis 2025 form. However, if we return to autofill, we'll see that we have G1 and S2 generating as different forms. If we go into S2 this time, we will see that each of the IDs have the S2 marker, S21, and the paragraph number 9. The output of all of these questions will be very similar to what has been done for our CSRD gap analysis. It will provide you with an AI gap analysis of met, partially met, or not met. It will provide you with an explanation as to why that choice has been selected, and then it will provide you with the evidence within the annual reports or what other documentation you've used, and the page number reference. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to use the help button in the bottom left hand corner. I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you very much.